Hi, my bestie. Come, let's cook macaroni and beans together. So, this was just me trying to parboil the beans, and at this point, I need to like bring out the macaroni because I needed to like pour it inside together with the beans because actually I was very tired and I didn't have the strength to like cook them differently, and that was just me after I made that finish adding it, and it was time to wash it, guys. So can see me right there doing my stuff in a very demure in a very demure and mindful way. I was trying to wash the beans. Yeah, as you can see right here, I'm washing them together because I get to put the macaroni together with the beans to cook. So I was just doing my stuff right here. That's what I was doing, guys. So I was just doing my stuff right here, and that's me trying to still watch it from, because I actually watched it like 2 times. This video I had to like fast forward the video, and I don't know if actually the voice note is going to like align with the video because of the fast forward. So at this point, I needed to add my Maggi, salt, pepper to the already washed beans and macaroni. I love pepper so much. Okay, this is actually how I loved enjoying my macaroni. Okay, what is macaroni without beans? And I enjoyed it like this without getting to like fried, like doing it like stew, all of those stuff like that. I just love it this way. At this point, I needed to chop my onions. You guys all know me and the way I actually love to chop my onions, and right now that is what I was actually doing. I chop my onions in a circle format, so it's gave me what I want, you know, the vibe. So I all know when I love putting my onions in food. Okay, so I was just doing this stuff. At this point, I needed to record this one because it was very big, guys. If it's me and licking my lips here, I don't know, like when I'm just like when I just forget myself, I'll just find myself licking my lips. So at this point, I needed to like add the onions to the macaroni and beans. I was just trying to like kind of separate it so that it would be a bit plenty. And at this point, the onions was very powerful up to the extent that it has to like entered my eye, but then we move. So I was looking for a spoon to like get to taste the set to like test to see if everything is actually very okay. You can see how my stomach has gone inside because I was really hungry, guys. So I was just doing my stuff. At this point, I needed to add groundnut oil to the beans and macaroni, and that's what I was just doing right there. I had to like use 2 different phones to film this video. This part is with my Samsung, while the other part was with my Infinite, because my Infinite actually ran out of space, so I need to use Samsung to like complete this part. So this was the time I was actually dishing the macaroni to eat, and guys, you can see me right there dishing it, and it's looking so yummy. And guys, this macaroni and beans, like, oh my god, it was very sweet, and I really enjoyed it. I would not like to, you guys, I really enjoy it. So you can still see me licking my lips. I don't know after what's wrong with you. I don't actually even know what's wrong with me then, but that's by the way. Please don't forget to like, share, leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know if you are going to try my kind of method, and if you are seeing this on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. And bye, guys, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. I was actually eating at this very point in time, and that is that for that. Bye, and I'm gonna see you in my next video.